Hey, Kevin Wright here. I thought you'd be interested in a question that came up at one of my recent Monday morning Q&A sessions. I go out live on YouTube at 8:30 every Monday morning, and a bunch of people jump on and ask me questions about property finance, and I answer them. So watch this video to see what answer I gave to this question.
Jen, there we are. Hi Jen, coming in through YouTube. This is a question you popped in there, I think it was yesterday. So make sure you get your question in early, which is a good thing to do. Appreciate you doing this Q&A. Well, that's okay. You know, pretty much been doing that for probably close to 2.5 years now. People seem to like it, and not too onerous for me, to be honest, to rock up on a Monday morning, cup of tea in hand, and just ask a few questions. So I'm very pleased to do it. You want to refinance your residential mortgage onto a BLT. I think that's a BLT, bacon, lettuce and tomato. Well, I don't think you want to be doing that. You want a BTL, don't you? Yes. So a little bit of a typo there, but we don't mind that. How can you do this? You have consent to let, got AST tenants, you've moved out, loan to value is 85%. Okay. So the type of mortgage you want is a let to buy, not a buy to let, a let to buy. Now, if that sounds back to front, that's because it is exactly that, back to front. So a buy to let mortgage is you buy a property to let it out. Yep. Now, if you already own the property and you live in it, it's not strictly a buy to let mortgage because you're not buying it to then let it out. So this is a let to buy mortgage. In other words, you're going to let the property you already own to buy another one to live in. Now, you could potentially rent the one you live in, and you may be doing that now. You may not be, we don't know. So essentially, you get a let to buy mortgage. Now, you just simply have to apply for it. And you know, our buy-to-let specialist covering all these sorts of things in the brokerage is Isaac. So Isaac's a pretty snappy guy. If you contact me, Jen, you're coming through YouTube, so go on the home page, look at the tabs across the top, click on the About one, and my contact details are there. Ping me a email there. We'll get the office to send you out a fact find, complete the fact find, and then Isaac will find you your let to buy mortgage, the most appropriate one for you. Now, the issue you're going to have is your loan to value being 85%, because there's virtually no buy to let mortgage that operates at 85%. Might be one. The terms ain't great, to be honest. So there are a few more at 80%, but pretty much every standard decent rate buy to let mortgage is at 75%. So to do this, you may have to consider chucking some cash into the deal to pay down your mortgage to either 80 or even 75%. So that could be a barrier to doing what you want to do. But again, Isaac will run through that with you. So Jen, whether you're watching this live or you're watching the replay, I know you sometimes watch the replay, I've seen you pop up before. So get in touch with me through the About section, and then we'll help you.
Now, if you found that question and my answer interesting, there's a whole load more of this that goes on a Monday morning. Now, you can either log in through YouTube, or you can join my Facebook group, Recycle Your Cash for Property Investors, and get it streamed through there. The link is on this page. And if you want access to my whole back catalogue of Q&As, which are well over 50 hours of viewing time, then I've got a way to do that. Join Fiverr Drive and you can get access to that back catalogue with a simple word search facility. So just type in the question that you want answers to, and it'll come up on screen almost instantaneously all the times that I've mentioned your particular keyword. It's like having a property finance Wikipedia, I guess. How do you access this? By joining my Fiverr Drive. Click the link on the page and guess what? It's a £5 a month. So I look forward to seeing you at future Q&As.